Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for coming tonight. I'm waiting for a day where we no longer have to worry about our Assyrian people back home in the Middle East. I wait for a day where our people will no longer be tortured by the savages in the Middle East. Another genocide is happening right before our eyes, and we need to open them wide. I'm reciting a poem today that I recited when I was very little. To me back then, it was just a story. Nothing I ever thought I'd ever witness in my lifetime. But now, it's happening. It's happening right before our eyes. This poem is from the point of view of a little girl who's being murdered in the genocide. The poem is called Surtet Semele. It's in Assyrian. Bayan Tanyana Hakyat Suruti Dakhib Semele Tlikla HakutiGanishat Umti Dwikhlil Shawruti Idatit Khampe Shmila Khamamuti Kat Qawlan wa Gdita Bsuruti Shmil Srakhiyate Rkhutli Mkhaduti خشولي خورتي تيلا الشواوتي سيبها السمانة شكل الخيوتي قمودي ليتون بشمايو قالي الأبرد سميلة برموانون قدالي كدباب يلدبني مدمي قولوالي أبخى من نوخ لارخم للحالي كريلون أنخي بتخاطر تشمع جرجت سهدة دي آتوريما شمي خبرتوان أرى بدمع بهيويد باوتي داتيت تمما. Thank you all very much. God bless you all.